The trial of the now-defunct Hong Kong alliance in support of patriotic, democratic movements of China under the national security law began today, with the alliance and former leader Cheuk-yan and Chow Hang-tung pleading not guilty to inciting subversion of state power, while Albert Ho entered a guilty plea and was found guilty by the court. Cheuk-yan reports.
The three Tiananmen vigil organizers Li, Ho and Chow were brought to the West Kowloon law courts in prison vans. Along with the alliance itself, they faced charges of inciting subversion under Hong Kong's national security law between July 1, 2020 and September 8, 2021. In court, Li, Chow and the alliance entered not guilty pleas, while Ho pleaded guilty. Prosecutors outlined that the alliance, since its founding, had openly advocated for ending China's one-party rule. They argued this objective directly contravenes the Chinese constitution, which enshrines the leadership of the Chinese Communist Party as a defining feature of the country's system of government. The prosecution contended that seeking to end one-party rule therefore amounts to subverting state power. They further alleged that the group had repeatedly used calls for democracy and its annual June 4th vigils in Victoria Park as vehicles to carry out subversive activities. The court found Ho guilty, noting that he continued to call for an end to one-party rule in China even after the national security law came into effect in June 2020. The prosecution is expected to formally open its case against Li, Chow and the alliance on Monday. Cheuk-yan, Cable News.